channel. My name is Alexis Lopez. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, if you haven't guessed it yet or seen it from the title of my video, I'm going to show you guys how to create these beachy waves using a blow dryer, a diffuser, and just a few of my favorite products that I like to put on my hair to help me achieve this look. It is super simple, one of my go-to looks during the summertime, and I think you guys would absolutely love it. It adds balance and volume. It just, makes you feel so like, I don't know, I just feel like more Latino with this hairstyle. So I absolutely love this hairstyle. It's a good way to mix it up a bit between your regular curls or just like straight hair. So if you guys are interested in watching, then definitely let's get started. Okay guys, so I haven't really done anything to my hair right now besides wash it. It was in a t-shirt in the meantime. It's just been in a t-shirt, so it's a little bit damp still. It's starting to dry up a little bit, so we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. I have two that I like to use. I have my leave-in conditioner from Monat, and then I have my Way leave-in conditioner. I absolutely love both of them, but for the purpose of this hairdo, we're gonna go in with some of the Way spray just because it has heat protectant in it, and I do want to protect it from the blow dryer. So we're just gonna spray that in there. Also, this one's really good for detangling my hair, so it's a little bit tangled right now, so I'm just gonna generously spray that in my hair. So once I have combed through my hair and evenly distributed the leave-in conditioner, I will go in with a bit of my blowout cream by Monat. I love to go in with this stuff before blow drying, especially before blow drying when I'm trying to achieve a beachy wave look, because I want to create a nice beachy wave without the frizz, and this does exactly that. It helps to eliminate the frizz, which I absolutely love. It smooths the hair, so again, creating those frizzless, if that's even a word, creating those waves without the frizz, and it also acts as a thermal heat protectant, which is always a bonus when blow drying your hair because you do not want damage from the blow dryer. So I'm just gonna put in a small amount. I'll just put in about that much, and I will spread that. I'll rub that into my hands, and I'll spread that from the roots to the tips. Really make sure that it's all in my hair. Just scrunch a little bit like that. Next step is optional. I love to go in with my Split and Mender by Monat. I really love how it makes my ends just look super healthy and nourished, so I always go in with this product once I've washed my hair. I know there's a lot of opinions on Monat. There's many people who are completely against them, who have their own opinions on them. I hope that if you are watching this, you're watching it with an open mind. I have been using Monat since October of 2018. To be honest, I think maybe a little bit before that, and I've absolutely loved these products. I love what they've done to my hair, how they made my hair look. I have absolutely no complaints on them whatsoever, and if I'm totally honest, I would never use a hair product that I don't absolutely love, just because I've always tried to take the best care of my hair, and I wouldn't continue using a product if I found that it was, really damaging my hair. So I just wanted to put that out there. So I'll just put a few pumps of that. 4 pumps, just about that much, and I'll put that in the bottoms of my, I'll put that in the tips of my hair, just to make sure that they're really healthy looking, and hopefully to prevent any future breakage. So once I have put in my Split and Mender, the last step and one of the most important steps is to apply a curl cream into your hair. So the curl cream that I like to use is the curl cream by Monat. Now you can use any curl cream of your preference. This is just the one I love to use. I really like how it, creates the curl, and how it helps to hold it as well. I also love that there's natural ingredients in this as well. That is why I love to use it, but you can use the curl cream of your choice when creating this hairstyle. So I'll put about that much into my palm and rub that in together. Now this is a very thick consistency, so what I'll do is I'll just part my hair in the middle, and I will focus it on the bottoms and sort of crunch that into my hair. So I'll just use this movement with my hands to place the product into my hair. And this way, when you're like scrunching your hair up, you're creating that natural wave. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more. Okay, so once you've put that into your hair, as you can see, it's already sort of curled my hair a little bit, but now we're going to use the blow dryer and we're going to use a diffuser to really help lock in that curl and to enhance that curl even a little bit more. Now, when creating these beachy waves using a blow dryer, a diffuser is a must, just because it helps with gripping onto the hair, so that it's really creating that bounce, because you're going to attach this to the blow dryer. And then you're going to use this movement to scrunch up the hair while the blow dryer is throwing in some heat into the hair. So we're just gonna lock that in there. We're gonna put it on like a medium heat, and then we're just going to use that movement and scrunch up the hair. So halfway through the blow dry, I like to just check on the hair, see if I like the curl, if I want a little bit more. Usually I want a little bit more. So what I'll do is I'll go in with my wave spray. So this guy right here, it smells so nice. It creates such a nice curl. It smells really nice. It doesn't really leave your hair like crunchy or anything like that. And it helps to add texture as well. So we'll do a few sprays of that all over my hair. Just like scrunch that in like that. It also helps to sort of give like a wet look to your hair. As you can see, like the curls have enhanced a bit more. So once I've done that, I will go in again with my blow dryer. And so this time I'll go in with full heat, and I'll do like medium like power. So once I have that desired curl that I want, what I'll do is I'll go back in with the blow dryer, but this time I'll go in with the cold setting, just so that I can lock in that hair cuticle and maintain that curl. Once you have gone in and blow dried your hair again with the cold setting for maybe 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, I like to just go in once more with my wave spray. Once more, not too much. Crunch that in, scrunch that in a little bit. And then on the other side as well. Just like that. I love to wear my hair like this. Once the weather starts to get warmer, I think this is such a fun and sexy look. I love the volume that it gives your hair, the bounce. I think this is a very, very nice, quick go-to look for the summertime especially. It doesn't take a lot, it's very simple, just a few steps. You don't have all the products. All you really need is a good curl cream and a good wave spray, and you're good to go, and a blow dry and a diffuser. Those 3 things if you want to keep it even simpler than that. I mean, I do highly recommend them just to help with to help keep the integrity and health of your hair. I think a blow up cream and a thermal heat protectant and a leave-in conditioner are very important, but if you don't have those items and you want something more simplified, a curl cream, a wave spray, and a blow dry with a diffuser is all you really need to achieve this look. Okay guys, but that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this super easy beachy wave-like tutorial. I absolutely love this hairdo. It's definitely one of my go-tos during the summer. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys want to see more hair tutorials such as this one. I would love to release even more hair videos for you guys if that's something you guys want to see more of. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Also guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you guys join the family. We are almost at 600 subscribers. I honestly cannot believe it, and I can't thank you guys enough for tuning in every video and watching. So yeah, just hit that subscribe button. It's free, it's easy, why not? Plus that means you just won't miss out on any of my future videos, so I would definitely highly recommend to, you know, hit that subscribe button. Anyways guys, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Mwah! Many kisses. Bye guys.